Hi, my name is Tyron Heredia. I'm currently doing my postgraduate in sports management from Ironwoods. The reason I joined Ironwoods is because I was searching for different opportunities to study sports management abroad. But I came across this link through Instagram where I went on the website and I saw I was getting the same course over here, and I was like, it was close to home as well, so I thought I'd do it from here. I have worked at a lot of live events through Ironwood only. So the first was the India New Zealand Test match, which I went for. I was given one of the more crucial roles, that was the media box in the VIP zones. That was the place where like most of the actual crucial part of the event was going on, the organizing of the event was going on. So I have to make sure that the people with the correct IDs get into that area and the rest are diverted to their specific steps. So that was one job that I did. Apart from that, I also did the Skechers marathon, the Skechers walkathon. So there also we had to just distribute bids, but that was also a different role altogether. I would say that the organizing committee of Skechers, we were pretty good with what they did. It was pretty well organized. It was convenient for the employees as well as the guests who came. So that is another way that's another thing I took from it, like how to organize stuff, giving an event to make it easy for others. Recently, the institute gave me the opportunity to head the pickleball event. It was called the League of Champions Pickleball Edition. So what we had done was we had gotten registrations. We had gotten about 80 registrations from Sydenham College, from Ironwood, as well as a few from outside, from other colleges as well. That was a pretty good event. It was for only beginners, so we had all first timers playing. And we also built a community which is now up to like 300 people in a span of 2 3 weeks. It's just been less than a month, and I've already been given another opportunity to work on SWAT, which is students working against tobacco. So right now this is also it's work in progress. We decided on having 4 to 5 events. You have the bike rally, we have a concert that's happening, we have a sport event, as well as you have a procession of the mountain. So yeah, this is also something really good. It's a good initiative taken by Ironwood, and I've got the opportunity to head this as well. So I would definitely like to recommend the sports management program to others because first of all, the classes are very different compared to other colleges. We have all industrial experts coming in. We have new faces to see every day. We build our connections with them. Also, they give us their journey. They tell us about their journey for us to pick out, like for us to not make the same mistakes again. We also get the opportunity to go for different events, and we get to organize our own events in college as well. So it's a great learning experience. The batch size is also not very big, so that we get individual attention to every student, and everyone is groomed individually. Like it's not like a group thing where you have 100 people in one class and it's just like coming during lecture. We have like individual attention given to every student so that everyone grows. My experience at Ironwoods would be like it's a fun place to learn. It gives you a chance to go out of your comfort zone, and it also helps you personally.